Well, 2 days after Kodanad Estate's ex-owner Peter Jones spoke exclusively to India today and opened up about how he was forced to sell his estate, a political storm has broken out between the DMK and AIDMK in Tamil Nadu. DMK leader TKS Elangovan has urged Jones to approach court and seek redressal. Elangovan asked Jones to file a complaint and seek compensation for his loss. Remember, after years of staying away from the media, Peter finally revealed how he was coerced to sell his property to the late Chief Minister Sasikala. He alleges that the murder of a security guard named Om Bahadur at the estate was for documents that could implicate Sasikala. He had further claimed that Sasikala and her cronies pressured him for 2 long years and that the property was bought at a lesser price and that too via Benami route.
Well, a constant harassment of phone calls endlessly from supposedly influential people. They also sent, on one occasion, 150 gundas up to the estate to try and persuade me. Nobody was really interested in hearing that we weren't prepared to sell. They were only interested in finding ways to make us sell. We were paid what amounted to a rather poor price, but under the circumstances it seemed that we had really no option, and we were promised that there would be other amounts that would be paid, but actually were never paid. I mean, to this day, as per my calculation, I think if I was to put 15% interest on what was not paid, the current dues are about 35 crores, and that remains unpaid.
We have a law which protects the people, owners of land. We have law to book people who had grabbed the other's land. So we have law. He has to approach the court of law and seek redressal. That is the one way. That is the only way out, I think. There are 2 ways, as I said. There are 2 ways. One, to prefer a complaint in a police station and ask the police to take action. The second is going directly to the court and seek the intervention of the judiciary to get back the land.
Meanwhile, the AIDMK has hit back at the DMK for their statement on the charges made over Jayalalitha's Kodanad Estate. The AIDMK has said that the claims made by Peter Jones are merely politically motivated. The AIDMK has also told India today that the former owner is being aided by the DMK to stir political tensions. Listen in to what AIDMK spokesperson had to say on these allegations.
This was a transaction that happened in 1996. And multiple times Madam has been in and out of power, so I don't understand how he's suddenly drumming up these allegations and coming out and making these charges to the media. If he has a case, he has recourse to legal recourse to justice. So I just feel these are all politically motivated. I think the way the DMK spokesperson I heard in your AV earlier spoke about how he has recourse to justice and all of that, I don't see why they're getting involved in this particular case. The maximum number of land grabbing cases were registered against the DMK. So they have no right to talk about this issue. First of all, the previous owner, as he claims, must approach the courts or maybe if he has any proof of these threats.
It appears the DMK and the ex-owner of Jaya's property aren't the only ones who were affected by the Kodanad Estate sale. After Peter Keg, now a tribe that lived in the area near Jaya's estate, have opened up to India today about how they were affected by the estate sale. A local regional tribe has said that they had a road passing through the estate which they used for their cattle. This was shut after Jayalalitha and Sasikala took it apart from a number of other problems they faced after the estate sales. Listen in.
When Greg Joe's family was there, hospital and other buffaloes can go other places and all. But after takeover by the CM family and all, you know, they blocked the roads. The buffaloes cannot go grazing for the other side of the area. And also, you know, when we were there, we allowed any vehicle to go to the colonies. The Dalit families are there, Anna Nagar and all. So we take 2 rupees or something and allow them. But when these people came, no, they didn't allow them.